हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल ओनली जॉब्स। तो गाइस इस वीडियो में हम देखने वाले दो बड़ी जॉब अपडेट्स विच इज़ फ्रॉम एटॉस इंटेल एंड अनदर इज़ फ्रॉम FIS ग्लोबल। सो गाइज दोनों MNCs है और बहुत ही अच्छी कंपनीज है गाइज, और पैकेज भी बढ़िया रहेगा। सो गाइज वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखें ताकि आप कोई भी इम्पोर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन ना मिस कर पाओ। गाइज अगर आप चैनल पर नए हो तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस करें ताकि मैं जब भी ऐसी जॉब नोटिफिकेशन की वीडियो अपलोड करूँ तो आपको जल्द से जल्द मिल सके। ओके गाइज, सो लेट्स सी फर्स्ट जॉब अपडेट विच इज़ फ्रॉम FIS। सो FIS यूनिवर्सिटी प्रोग्राम 2021 BTech CSE IT. So guys, this is for 2021 batch pass outs and BTech from CSE and IT department. So guys, let's see what is the eligibility criteria. So highest education qualification 2021 pass out, full time course in BTech or CSE IT. After that, academic percentage will be a minimum 60% or 6.5 CGPA throughout academics. After that, total compensation uh, that will be a 5 lakhs per annum. Your job location will be pan India. सो गाइज अगर आप सेलेक्ट होते हो तो आपको बिजनेस रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग आपको इंडिया में कौन सा भी लोकेशन मिल सकता है। आफ्टर दैट शिफ्ट वर्किंग, यस, इफ इट इज़ रिक्वायर्ड यू हैव टू वर्क इन शिफ्ट्स। Any applicant who is presently working in any organization full time contract is not eligible for this requirement. So guys अगर आप currently कौन सी भी कंपनी में वर्क कर रहे हो तो आप इसके लिए एलिजिबल नहीं हो गाइज। And also they have also told please check out your emails regularly to be aware of your candidature status. Okay guys, so this is a Microsoft form. So by this you have to apply for this job update, and here is you have to fill your applicant name as per Aadhaar card only, your Aadhaar card number. After that your PAN number, your mobile number. After that your email ID, your current location state, your permanent location state, your college name, college city, your college location. After that you have to fill your university name, whether your university is government or deemed autonomous, so you have to mention according to that. After that mention your university accreditation like AICTE or NBA. If you don't know, mention not applicable. After that applying through training institute, if yes, mention name of training institute, else no. So guys अगर आप ट्रेनिंग इंस्टीट्यूट के थ्रू अप्लाई कर रहे हो तो आप यस मेंशन करो, अदरवाइज मेंशन नो। सो गाइज हाईएस्ट क्वालिफिकेशन BTech 2021 बैच पास आउट ही इसके लिए एलिजिबल है गाइज। सो इफ़ यू आर नॉट BTech 2021 पास आउट, you are likely to ineligible for the job update. After that highest educational specialization stream. So whether you have completed BTech in computer science, information technology, information science, or others non-computer science or IT background. After that highest education qualification. So they have mentioned here example 60% or 8.3 CGPA. So mention in this format. After that 12th or diploma percentage, 10th percentage. If you have any backlog currently, then mention yes. Open for any job location. So guys you have to keep in mind that put yes over here. After that uh, are you open to working in shift, also mention yes over here. Are you flexible to work in any technology domain functional skill, you have to also mention yes over here. Placed in any organization, if you are got any offer letter, mention your status according to these options. College placement offer name, if you have if you have to mention your college TPO officer name. their contact number, college, placement officer, email if you know. So guys, here is the important part. Have you done any additional courses certification like Java, .NET, C, C++, mainframe testing? So guys, there are some options of various technologies like Java trained certified, .NET trained, C, C++, mainframe testing, Python, network trading, or any course related to MBA marketing. Or if you even you didn't done any courses, so mention not applicable or no additional courses have done. So yeah, mention according to your knowledge. And here is the last question. You have to put last semester examination current status. So mention your status according to all exams completed, exams are ongoing, last semester exam it yet to start. Okay guys, so this is the really good opportunity from FIS Technologies. Okay guys, share with your friends, and we are going to move on next job update, which is from Atos Intel. So as you guys know guys, Atos Intel is big MNC which is hiring for 2021 batch pass outs. Okay, let's see eligibility criteria. So in eligibility criteria they have mentioned 2021 full-time graduates only from recognized universities, courses and streams like BTech in computer science, information technology, ECE, triple E, and MCA from computer applications. So guys, if you have done course in these streams, then you are eligible, and if you are 2021 batch pass outs, you are eligible for the job. And talking about aggregate, they have mentioned 60% in SSC, HSC, graduation, like throughout your academics you have minimum 60%. And backlog, no current backlogs. Education break, maximum 1 year break in education is allowed from SSC to highest qualification. So guys, if you have educational break up to 1 year, then it's acceptable for this job role. And drive location will be online. Prerequisites में इन्होंने मेंशन किया है गुड रिटन एंड वर्बल इंग्लिश स्किल्स, और फ्लेक्सिबल टू वर्क इन एनी शिफ्ट like morning shift, afternoon shift, night shift. Job locations are Pune, Mumbai, Chennai, and Tirunelveli. So guys, uh, you will get your preferred locations according to these four locations of Atos Intel. Okay guys, so here comes the registration form. So here you have to put your Aadhaar card number, your PAN details, prefix, first name, your date of birth, father, mother's name. After that, your mobile number, gender, your marital status, mother tongue, current address, city, pin code. So all these your basic details you have to fill, and go to next page and fill the remaining details and upload your resume guys. So guys, the package that Atos Intel offers is 3.4 lakhs per annum, which is a quite good package guys for any freshers. And during training you will get a salary up to 21 to 22k in hand salary. I'm talking about in hand salary guys. And after your training you will be get 25 and above that. So yeah guys, keep in mind that package is good. And yeah, these both job updates are really good. You should definitely check out the job update. I have mentioned all the links in the description. Go through those links and apply for the jobs. Okay guys, so that much in this video. Hope you like this video. Share with your job seeker friends. And yeah, bye guys, goodbye, take care.